Performing a reset clears all stored data and all programming selections such as bottle configuration, suction line length, or time intervals. To confirm a successful factory reset, we will first change the number of bottles to a value other than 14 bottles. After the reset procedure is completed, you can verify a successful reset by viewing the number of bottles being set back to 14. When the unit is on and program is blinking, press the Enter key. Press Enter 2 more times until you see where you can select a number of bottles. The default amount of bottles is 14. Be sure that you reset to a different amount of bottles. For example, select 1 bottle using the left up arrow key and press Enter twice. After selecting a new amount of bottles, press the red Stop key once. Remove power from the unit. Wait for approximately 30 seconds or until the display goes blank. Then press and hold the red Stop and Enter keys at the same time. Continue holding the 2 keys and reapply power. Continue to hold the keys down until the copyright screen appears. Release the keys and press the On key. After the unit is on, press the Enter key. Select Program, then press the Enter key. Press Enter 2 more times until you see where you can select the number of bottles. After a factory reset, the bottle should show 14 bottles blinking. When properly done, the sampler program will be at factory defaults and will need to be reprogrammed to your specific needs.